Since we have agreed, I want to assure you that nothing will be done outside this law that I'm going to sign today. If for any reason I need to do amendment or I need to do a supplementary budget, I will still present it to the State House of Assembly. And that is what we've been doing in the past 4 years. Some people think that one day they will hook me. It is me that will hook them. They don't know me. You can say anything, but the truth of the matter is, for me, every single thing I do, including all those aspects that people criticize, including security votes, everything is appropriated for in the House. I don't do anything outside. I have not taken 1 naira, and I will never do it, because I know that there are some hawks and lions and hyenas that are waiting for me. You will never see me. The assembly are the only people who can create problem, but even them, if I don't create problem for myself, they cannot do anything. What I'm standing here is a law. And let me ask anybody who wants, come. Laws of Benue State are passed by the State House of Assembly and assented to by me. Once I sign these laws today, they have become laws. And it is my duty as the governor of Benue State to implement it. And if I implement it and you come and say anything, I will deal with you. You will never forget. So, I'm signing revenue law today. I'm signing the recurrent expenditure law. And I'm also signing the capital expenditure law of 2022. Laws which culminate totally into 155 billion 611 million 390,265 naira and 82 kobo. That is what I'm signing for 2022. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.